Ahoy there, future cruisers! Are you excited about your upcoming cruise adventure? Before you set sail, there are a few important things you need to know to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. In this video, we'll share the key insights and tips that will make your cruise experience unforgettable. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the essential things to know before going on a cruise. 1. Researching cruise lines and ships. When planning your cruise, it's crucial to research different cruise lines and ships to find the one that best suits your preferences. Here's what you need to consider. Look into factors such as the cruise line's reputation, ship amenities, cabin options, dining choices, and onboard activities. This research ensures you choose a cruise line and ship that align with your interests and budget. 2. Selecting the right itinerary. Cruise itineraries vary greatly, offering a wide range of destinations and activities. Consider the following when selecting your cruise itinerary. Think about the ports of call, shore excursions, and the duration of the cruise. Do you prefer a relaxing cruise with multiple sea days or a packed itinerary with many ports to explore? Choose an itinerary that matches your desired experience. 3. Understanding cabin categories. Cruise ships offer various cabin categories to choose from. It's essential to understand the differences and select the one that meets your needs. Consider the following factors. Look into cabin size, location, such as interior, ocean view, balcony, or suite, and amenities. Keep in mind that prices may vary significantly depending on the cabin category you choose. 4. Budgeting for additional expenses. While the cruise fare covers many aspects of your journey, there are additional expenses to budget for. Here's what you should consider. Account for expenses like gratuities, onboard activities, specialty dining, drinks, spa services, Wi-Fi access, and shore excursions. Planning your budget in advance ensures you have a clear understanding of your overall expenses. 5. Packing essentials for a cruise. Packing for a cruise requires some careful consideration. Make sure you have the following essentials on your packing list. Include items like appropriate attire for various occasions on board, swimwear, comfortable shoes, toiletries, medications, travel documents, and power adapters. Pack wisely to ensure you have everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable cruise. 6. Understanding onboard policies and guidelines. Each cruise line has its own set of policies and guidelines that you should familiarize yourself with before boarding. Here's what you need to know. Be aware of policies regarding boarding procedures, dress codes, dining arrangements, alcohol restrictions, and safety protocols. Understanding these guidelines will help you navigate the cruise seamlessly. 7. Making the most of onboard activities and entertainment. Cruise ships offer a plethora of activities and entertainment options to keep you engaged throughout your journey. Here's how to make the most of them. Explore the ship's daily schedule and plan your activities in advance. Take advantage of shows, live performances, fitness classes, spa facilities, sports activities, and themed parties. There's something for everyone on board. 8. Planning shore excursions. One of the highlights of a cruise is exploring different ports of call through shore excursions. Here's how to plan your shore excursions effectively. Research the excursion options available at each port and consider your interests and activity levels. Book in advance to secure your spot, or consider exploring independently if you prefer a more flexible experience. 9. Staying healthy and safe on board. Keeping yourself healthy and safe while on board is essential for an enjoyable cruise experience. Here are some tips to follow. Wash your hands regularly, use hand sanitizers, follow the ship's safety instructions, and be mindful of your personal belongings. Stay hydrated, get enough rest, and take necessary precautions to ensure a healthy and safe journey.
10. Embracing the cruise experience. Finally, remember to embrace the cruise experience and make the most of your time on board. Here's how to fully enjoy your cruise adventure. Engage with fellow passengers, try new activities, indulge in the ship's amenities, and create lasting memories. Allow yourself to relax, unwind, and fully immerse yourself in the joy of cruising. Thank you for joining us today as we uncovered the important things to know before going on a cruise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content. Bon voyage, and until next time.